Premium
Okay, go.
This is my bike. I'm running Odyssey Lumberjack bars, Snafu grips. I cut the bars. They're really small. Demo Zero rims. A bit down low stem, which is now an up top because I flipped it upside down. I'm running Snafu pickles, the Demo Zero, the Demo Bulimia front hub, and then an Animal GLH tire, and then a stolen cherry frame, a kink seat, a stolen seat post, got a Colt sprocket, Snafu, Mayweather cranks, got Shadow pedals, another Animal GLH, a KMC chain, an Animal bottom bracket, a Demo Zero, and an Odyssey Hazard hub. It's my bike. Stay classy, San Diego.